Welcome to the PowerPanel Business Local setting tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to set up scheduled shutdown and restart for your UPS and connected computer or equipment. First, log into PowerPanel Business. Then select UPS setting and click Scheduled Shutdown. Here, you can add multiple schedules to perform a shutdown and restart. To create one, please click Add. Keep Active checked. Select whether you want to turn off all outlets or non-critical ones only. For frequency, you can set a one-time, daily, or weekly schedule. If you choose weekly, for example, specify a day and time to shut down. Next, to schedule a restart, keep Restore checked and specify a restart day and time accordingly. Please note, if you want to restart your computer together with the UPS, make sure the boot setting of the computer BIOS is enabled. Finally, you can make a note of this schedule. Then click OK to save the setting. The schedule will be listed in the table. Now, your UPS is ready to turn on or off the connected equipment according to the schedule. This is all about the scheduled shutdown and restart setting.